Place this slim space heater on the floor or a tabletop and add comfort to your home or office. Lasko's Oscillating Ceramic Heater features optional oscillation. An easy-to-use electronic thermostat adjustable from 65 to 85 degrees. 2 quiet comfort settings including high and low heat. And simple touch controls. Heat the room you're in. And lower your whole house thermostat to save energy. But that's easy carry handle. It is simple to take with you where needed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy-to-use electronic thermostat. Number 2. Widespread oscillation. Number 3. Versatile size for table or floor use. Adjustable thermostat. Number 4. 3 quiet settings. High heat, low heat and plus auto-programmable thermostat controlled. Number 5. Perfect for any space. This heater provides 1,500 watts of comforting warmth. Place the heater in your bedroom to get a cozy night's sleep or in your living room to help keep you warm while watching TV. Number 6. Electronic controls. This oscillating ceramic heater from Lasko features top-mounted electronic controls. Easily operate the 2 heat settings, widespread oscillation, and thermostat functions with simple touch controls. Number 7. Built-in carry handle. This ceramic heater comes fully assembled and features a built-in carry handle. A handle makes it easy to move the heater from room to room where you need heat the most. Number 8. Safety features. Built-in safety features, including overheat protection, self-regulating ceramic element, and cool touch housing, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.